We have an energy efficient LED light. We're going to open up the package to wire this. If you are simply going to plug this into an outlet, very simple. You get all the hardware and the material to clip down your wiring and hang it on the wall. You have not one but two packages, and they come nicely packaged, as you can see. You have the cords for both of them. They're flat. I'll show you what one may look like on the wall. And they have two screws that hold the mounting plate on. This is a 12-watt light with a 1080 light output of lumens. It's 120 volts, USA standards, SMD LEDs, 6000 Kelvin. On the switch is a simple on and off, plugs in. These are not going to be hardwired because they go into the device over here into a closed outlet. With a Phillips screwdriver, you're going to take off the bracket. You can use an electric drill gun as well. Just take your time getting it off. Lift up the bracket and out. You have a grounding lead. On the wall, find a spot. You're going to hang on. You're going to then take the screw, place it back in. We're going to hang up the other light. It's going to be very simple to do. All we need to do is find a spot on the wall. Make sure we want to put it somewhere else. Like so. We're going to lock down. Going to make sure we're leveled, facing vertical and horizontal. We'll take our clip, place it on, put it where we need to be. Nice straight line, like so. And plug in. We have both lights on. There are many ways you can go about putting the cord. You can hide the cord, you can leave the cord as is, you can use a remote control to turn on and off one light. You cannot dim these down. They could be put on a timer to be set on and off. You can, again, hide your leads, leave the switch on, and control it by a switch other than the actual ones that you have. The lights are pretty bright. They do a nice job. They throw about 8 to 10 feet a throw. They're 6500 Kelvin and they use 110 volts. Anywhere where you want to put these. Horizontal, landscape, vertical, portrait. I hope you enjoy your lights. If this is something that you are looking for via a switch light, enjoy your product if this is right for you.